Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Today we are going to learn how to make a beautiful Christmas hanging. Please like and subscribe my channel. Things needed: green, red and yellow chart sheets, GI wire, red silk ribbon, red color beads, golden beads, small golden beads, fabric glue, yellow color thread, scale, scissors, paper punch and pencil for marking. Take 10 cm height green chart paper and fold it as shown. Draw a Christmas tree on this paper and cut it. You can see two Christmas trees now. Take one Christmas tree, cut it vertically half from bottom. Take another Christmas tree, cut it vertically half from top. Now set both trees one in other to make a single tree as shown. Apply some glue to fix it and keep it aside to dry. Take a piece of red chart paper and start punching it. Collect round pieces from the paper punch. Take a Christmas tree and stick these round pieces randomly as shown. Make 12 Christmas trees for this Christmas hanging. Take yellow chart paper, draw a star on it and cut it. Cut one more star of same size. To make a single star, cut half of each star and set it as done before for tree. Make 12 such stars. Apply some glue to fix it. Take yellow thread, put a small golden bead and now double it to avoid a knot. Now bead a bigger golden bead, then a red bead as shown. Stick the Christmas tree to string leaving 4 cm from the red bead. Now bead a golden bead on top of Christmas tree. Stick the star leaving 4 cm from the golden bead. Make 12 such strings for this Christmas hanging. Now take a GI wire circle of 10 inches diameter and tie the ends with thread. Put some glue and wrap the red ribbon around the GI wire circle. Tie the strings to the ring with equal gaps and each string being 4 cm longer than previous. Finally, tie plain 4 strings to the ring with equal gaps. Make a single knot of these 4 strings for hanging. Cut all the excess threads. Our Christmas hanging is ready to hang.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.